Hello, back at it again. It is time for another trading session. To all my US friends, hope you had a great Thanksgiving long weekend and got to celebrate. Here we go. Today, there wasn't a lot of different economic factors that influenced today. So today was a much more easily flowing day in terms of the kinds of things that I could do. However, there was the one ECB President Lagarde that spoke today, so I could not trade certain commodities. So I had to mainly focus on, Nasdaq. And so we start off with the very first trade on Nasdaq. And this trade was not basically the type of trade that I go for, because there was just one of many of the points of my game plan that didn't align. Just one. And I have such a strict policy around my game plan, and so I still went for it because there were other things in there that looked very bullish, and it did work out. But eventually, because it took so long to finally go to the TP that I needed, I came out with just a small profit, and obviously I regretted it, but again, I need to stick to my strategy in full regardless, and I thought I would just do that, and so I came out of it. Watch and take a look. Second trade, again with Nasdaq. This is at the top right corner. This was everything aligned well, but you know what? It didn't quite do what it was supposed to do. It moved about 10 points. I was going for 30. It didn't work out. It reversed, and I lost on this particular trade. So watch, learn, take a look. And finally, with my third trade, I was able to actually get my full 30 points off of Nasdaq. Again, everything aligned, and I went in for it, and I was able to get my 30 points. This 30 points actually took a lot longer than the average 30 points I get on Nasdaq, but 30 points is 30 points. So take a look, enjoy. And finally, I did a fourth trade. With my third trade, I was able to actually make back all of my losses. But then with this, I was able to make a bit more. I was a little hesitant to go for the full 30 points on this one, but it did actually run 40 points from where my entry point was. However, because it was after the times that I usually play, and because it was around a particular area that's known for reversals, just all of that made me a bit nervous, wasn't as confident, and so I only came out with half of that. I only did 15 points, and I was able to make a little bit more. But you know what? A win is a win, a trade is a trade, a gain day is a gain day. So I love it. And watch, take a look, enjoy. So here is my balance. Again, not a lot today, but a gain day is a gain day again. And I think now this is my 5th straight day of profits. So talk tomorrow.